Hey there! In this video, let's look at an often underutilized yet highly efficient method of creating projects in bid management. If you already have a project in your Manage Project list similar to the next project you need to create, copying and changing it is significantly faster than creating a new project from scratch. Let's see how it works. Find the project you want to copy from your Manage Project list to get started. Maybe it's right there on the page already, or perhaps you've got a lot of projects to sift through. Use the quick search bar in the upper right to find it by name, or if you don't know the name, use the filter options on the left to locate the project. Once you find it, click on the project title to open it up. Take a minute to review the project and ensure it contains most, if not all, of the information you need for your next project. Primarily, you're hoping the trades and coverage section has the full scope of work you need, and if the bidders you typically work with are on there as well, that's a plus. If there's a lot of stuff missing, perhaps there's a project that's a better fit that you can find instead. When you're ready to copy the project, click the Copy button at the top right of the page. The Copy Project window appears where you can select which items you want to copy. For this example, let's deselect Project Details and Project Documents and only copy the project trades and bidders list. Now click Copy. The information page for your new project displays. Even though it's a copy, the new project has a unique project ID number. However, you'll need to rename it and enter any other new information like the bid date, project type, building use, and anything else you didn't copy over. When finished, click Save Changes at the top. And don't forget to add your new documents. Earlier, I mentioned that you want to find projects similar to what you intend to create to avoid needing to manually enter all the details. However, what if you can't find a managed project that you like? You might have to create a new project from scratch. However, there might be a second way. If you subscribe to ConstructConnect Project Intelligence, you can also copy any project opportunities you find there. With over 1 million active projects, you're sure to find what you need. Like before, the process starts with finding a project you want to copy. We have a playlist dedicated to performing searches where you can learn all you need to know. To view the playlist, click the link on the screen or check the description of this video for more information. Once you've found a project you like, open it up. Where there was a Copy button in Bid Management, you'll see a Share button here instead. Click the More Options menu next to Share, and you'll see Copy Project inside. Just like before, the Copy Project window displays where you can select the items you want to copy. There's an additional section to choose how to handle future published addenda. That's right, if something changes in the project you copied from, your new project can also automatically update. We recommend selecting the Notify Me of New Addenda option. This option notifies you of a new addenda, and you can choose to ignore or copy it. Now click Copy, and the project will appear in your Manage Project folder, where you can edit, update, and manage it just like all other managed projects. Review all the copied project information and make any necessary changes before adding bidders and sending bid invitations. And that's it. Copying projects is a simple yet powerful way to save time and streamline your workflow in bid management. Whether working from your managed projects or leveraging ConstructConnect Project Intelligence, this method helps you get up and running quickly with fewer manual steps. Give it a try on your next project and see how much easier your process can be. Thanks for watching, and happy bidding!